Your face is healing after a facelift, the swelling, the bruising, the delicate skin trying to recover. Now imagine giving every single cell in that healing tissue 10 to 15 times more oxygen than normal. That's what hyperbaric oxygen therapy does. At PLH02, we use oxygen therapy to support your body's natural healing process so your facelift results can look smoother, healthier, and more refined. Let's look at how it works. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is a non-invasive treatment where you breathe 100% oxygen inside a pressurized chamber. The pressure allows oxygen to dissolve into your blood and body fluids at much higher levels than normal. This oxygen-rich environment helps the body repair tissues faster, reduce inflammation, and support skin healing after cosmetic procedures like facelifts. When you enter the chamber, you simply relax and breathe oxygen in a gently pressurized environment. The increased pressure allows oxygen to dissolve deeper into tissues, reaching areas that may have limited blood supply after surgery. This increased oxygen helps your body repair damaged tissues, stimulate collagen production, reduce swelling and inflammation, and improve overall blood flow. Why is HBOT so critical after a facelift? First, faster healing. Facelift surgery temporarily reduces oxygen supply to tissues due to the surgical manipulation of skin and blood vessels. HBOT restores those oxygen levels so cells can repair faster. Studies suggest patients receiving HBOT healed in about 13 days compared to 36 days without it. Second, reduced bruising and swelling. Facial surgery naturally causes inflammation. HBOT improves circulation and fluid drainage, helping swelling fade much faster. In fact, research has shown about a 35% faster reduction in bruising in some facial surgery patients compared to standard recovery. Third, improved collagen production. Oxygen is absolutely essential for collagen formation, which helps strengthen the skin and improve your long-term cosmetic results. More collagen means firmer skin, smoother healing, and an overall improved texture that makes your results truly stand out. Fourth, a lower risk of complications. Oxygen-rich tissues fight infection better and support immune activity. HBOT enhances immune cell function when your body needs it most. By keeping oxygen levels high, you're giving your body the tools it needs to prevent issues and ensure a safe, smooth journey to your new look. Finally, it leads to a better overall cosmetic outcome. By improving tissue repair and reducing inflammation, HBOT minimizes scarring and enhances the final aesthetic. Patients often report smoother healing, healthier looking skin, and a more vibrant facial tone that reflects the success of their procedure. So, what does a typical protocol look like? Many recovery programs use 5 to 10 sessions, each lasting about 60 to 90 minutes. It's ideal to start within a few days after surgery. Each session gradually increases oxygen delivery to those delicate healing tissues. HBOT is especially helpful for patients who want faster recovery, want to minimize bruising, or for those who may have slower natural healing, such as older patients or smokers. At PLH02, we don't look at this as replacing surgery, but as maximizing your results. Your surgeon lifts the face, hyperbaric oxygen helps your body heal the results. Facelift surgery changes the structure of the face, but the healing stage is where the real transformation happens. We help shorten that middle stage. The best facelift isn't just about the surgery, it's about how well your body heals. At PLH02, we support your body with oxygen therapy designed to help you recover and rebuild. Visit us at PLH02.com to learn how we can help you reveal your results faster, because your transformation deserves the best healing environment possible.